Like I said previously, back in the day, we had 3 tabs, which was a basic 20-year shingle, last year about 10, 15 years. And then you'd have to redo your roof. Nowadays, they have everything from, I don't even think they make a 20-year no more. It starts at 25-year. You can still get the 3 tab, but now everybody's using the GAF Timberline shingles. They're a thicker shingle. They're a higher profile shingle. They come with a lifetime warranty, which I personally don't know how they get away with because it doesn't last a lifetime. But you can get 25 years out of it, which is about the most you're going to get out of any fiberglass roof, unless you get into slate. I mean, I've worked on slate roofs that are over 100 years old, and they're still in good shape. And I've put on slate roofs that are going to last 100 years. But of course, the price really goes up. Slate is very expensive. Wood shakes, we've done lots of wood shakes jobs. Not so much around here, but in the Princeton area. Some people are just looking for that look. And again, wood shakes are very expensive because they're time consuming to put down, just like slate. It's one little piece at a time, one little piece at a time. Whereas shingles, you got a gun, you got a 3-foot strip, and you're just boom, 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 boom. It's very fast. Um, right now, what I do with my roofing that comes in right now, I obviously don't do it personally no more. I physically can't do it. But I have my partner that's able to do the smaller ones. Like we got a couple of little porch roofs to do for Dave in Marsville, and we'll do them ourselves. But I do have a roofing crew that I've been using for 2 or 3 years now. He's done a couple of yours, maybe somebody else's in here we've done. But I've come to trust this guy. I know him very well. He does a very good job. I inspect everything. I meet him on the job. I go over with him what we got to do. I sell the job. I meet with the customer. They pick out their color, their shingle style, and then I have him come in and I show him what to do. I let him do it. I come back. I check everything, and I got to tell you, in 3 years, I haven't had a single call back on a roof. So, any questions?
I have a friend who's going through a divorce, and so they're trying to sell their property. And the I guess inspection person came out and said that they need a new roof. They're all the way down in Alabama. They were price quoted around like $15,000. Does that sound like an average?
It
They're a
does.
small rancher. I thought it was pretty.
It
Light
does sound like
price.
kind of an
Okay,
average if you're going to tear it off.
Yeah.
I mean, roofs right now are going anywhere from 10 to 20,000,
Okay.
depending on the size. What style shingle. I was going to get a little bit about into the solar panels and the roofing and how they're going to coexist, but I ran out of time. Steve delved me.
I'd love to hear that.
Well, you can actually save that for when Tim's here, so you can get his input.
Yeah,
So
that might be a good idea.
So Chuck, on the lifetime roof, if I said I want to do my roof, I want to get lifetime shingles.
Mm-hmm.
In 25 years, now right now I have a Timberline. In 25 years, is it going to look better?
Now the Timberline, I don't want to interrupt, but the Timberline you have now is probably not a lifetime Timberline.
30 years.
It's probably a 30 years. That's what I was going to say.
So lifetime, I'm concerned that it will look nice